this already, you know what Sunday is. If you don't, let me just give you something. The creator who did this wanted to update the game for the games of the Roblox. That might have been like already done or something. I don't know. But since it's still here for Beast Home Simulator, it's a classic game. Today I'll be playing this for y'all. And maybe I can make another video about this. If I get at least like I don't know, like a lot of likes, or maybe today. I don't know. So make sure to like this video and subscribe. Anyways, we're doing this for the Sunday. Yeah, the Sunday. And we have the video again. Now get out. You see why I'm doing this? It's because I need a hole in one, so I might have to resort sometimes. So yeah. Sorry about that if you sold that or something. This is my first video, so I might have to do this shit. It's gonna take, oh my god, it's gonna take a while. So, see, like at least like a whole hour or something. If it takes that long, which it doesn't. And you might see it was glitchy too. So yeah. Now, oh, I got a gift and these. Well, that's good. Okay, the golf ball is ready. Yeah, right ahead. By me. And we're not gonna get a whole one, which is okay. And that's not gonna be a whole one. Let's do this again, and I don't care. Is that gonna be a 2025 with Diana Spindle on the top? Okay. Alrighty, I told you this already, so who's ever watched this already, excuse me by that. We're doing this just for the summer or something. I know it's school already and stuff, but I don't know why it showed that. But the game is still on. So be some sort of phones, which is good. If you don't even hear me in the audio sometimes, that means I might be gone for a bit. So yes, I did it. Let's go. It's took me forever. Like at least 2 minutes and like at least 3 minutes. Now let's go to Sunday. Who's the guy who's doing this whole thing? If I already told you something. I don't know. Yes, to alert you, this is not me. This is me. The little small thing. I did got some legendary bees and stuff. I have not been playing this game, so that's why it's kind of weak. So excuse me by that. Okay. Now for Sunday. Okay. Since we got these, now it's time. Sorry about that too. Let me see that. Now. Let me read that one time. This one. And now I'll be even more famous for such a there's such is going on. I'm thinking I'll stick around if you check back next week. So next week we might have more questions. So yeah, so whatever the things I didn't do, we're doing it today. Use these. Which I don't want to use, but I have to. Because I need more of the space, so Let's go over here. See what we get. Kinda useful, not that much. Let's open it. Let's see what we can do. Well, I'm not gonna have that. I'm that close though. So if I might have this, I might have finished this. Okay. Now I'm gonna do that today. They got most of these. I not got that yet. I'm sorry that I didn't. I want that too. I can get it. And today's one is in the slot, and that's it. Or maybe these blue. I know he's gonna get those little slots. So the point is, we need to get like these and that. Let's go check the science fair. I think I have not finished that yet. Because I think we're doing a Christmas thing or something. Christmas holiday. But it's not even Christmas. Christmas oh! Yeah, that the stickers are on. So you might have to go around searching for them. But we're not here for this today. We're here to do this. I don't know what this is. Oh, we did it! Let's go! Over there. Oh, it's over there. Well, before we do it, boom. And this. Since we got this, we get this. Okay, let's see what else do we have next. Well, I guess I could talk to them. BB. Oh, my pollen. Collect damage pollen. The pollen. We might have to go to you, so this is an easy one. And also kill. Yep, that's the chlorophyll. And then with a lake. Oh, since we already have a lake, let's do it. And then after that, we have this and that and that, blah blah blah. I guess I gotta go back to the shop. This. Let's see. Oh, wait. Okay. This is so weak. Absolutely weak. Do not recommend using this. But since this is the first one yet, this might not feel like a lot of pollen. It's okay. It's kind of getting useful. But that's from the bees, not for me. Finally, I'm gonna switch back to my original one. So, oh yeah, if you see glitches, it's sorry of that. So, yeah. Nope, not gonna happen. Okay, it's not in this place. Let's go back. Okay. If the recording stops, that means it's to be the end of the video, so I might have to check for all these. After when I'm done with all these, we're this, and we're not getting that because we can't get it now. Finally, we got it. All reliable. Forever. The best place for snowing. Last time I saw some. Oh, here in this valley. So let's go. Oh. Ooh. Bees, take him away. There you go. Now say recipe. Recipe. That guy. Rhino beetle. He tried to kill me, but I still feel bad. No, actually, he tried to kill me, so now. Oh yeah, there's also another boss. I'm doing that later. Bugs coming. What? Oh. Yeah, I wanted to show y'all something. It's from this. You might need a glide for this one, and like a lot of bees. You have any? No, it's not this place. I swear it's this place. Well, okay, it was like right here, I think. Oh yeah, you see this path? This will lead to something bad. And this is the guy. He's gonna be a boss, so you might have to dodge him because he might kill you and take all your power. You might have to say rest in peace to this. He's very strong in the game, but he's not that strong in the stick bug. I do not know what the name of the song is. Oh! Come on, I don't want a beetle chasing me in the night. Oh, poop! No. Oh yes, he's going down! Going down to the ground! Well, he's gonna might kill me though. Hey! Back! The only one who's destroying my beast, it's me! And what the heck? The only one who's destroying my beast, it's me. Oh no! Oh no! Come on! Have mercy on my soul. Have mercy. Yes! I did it! Yes, this will give it a lot of these honeys. So I don't know why they put this in the fence. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, it's gonna take forever. Sorry for the glitches. And it glitched again. Sorry for them. So this might be glitchy, so don't worry. This might be glitchy still. Cause my first video, I don't know how to work this, and I think Roblox glitchy today. Hey look, we got Jelly. Where's Jelly? Oh, hello, Timmy. Timmy, what did I say about killing me? Yeah, that's right. Oh, snowing! I need this. Please, no. It's snowing. It's really snowing. Wisdom. Yes. Wait. No. Oh my God! I had to use that again. next stream. And that might take a while, so. Yeah. Now. Next, we'll. I guess I can say that for now. Oh, yes! Now, the last snowflake is in the sky. Show up! He's not gonna show up because he's weak. Oh, my bees are here. Oh, my bees are working. Well, I turns out I'm only you. Jingle bells, I don't care about that. Oh, I got that. Where's my time? Okay. And the little trick is out. I gotta run. Oh, what is this? There's a chance I might get these. So, what am I gonna like? Oh, these. Let's see. Have I been using my eggs? Let's see. How much eggs do I have? Well, only one left. Oh, hello, Cosmic Bee. Oh, I'm not using this. I'm using it until. You stink. Oh, I'm scared. New challenges. I swear to God, this is snow. Where's the fireflies? If y'all know, can you please help me? And there's a Glock quest. I'm not doing this. Oh, good. I did not die. Well, useless. Weepy. Now. I didn't ask for any gifts all the time. Oh wait, never mind. I thought it was like an unique. Oh yeah, I know how to get out of this map, so yeah. You see this? The guy who made this didn't know. I'm gonna lose. Well, suck you now. Unless I can find a place. Oh my god, that's nothing. I can't die. Oh god. Well, this is the entry of the void. No idea where I stunned before, guys. I stunned before this. Oh yeah, that's the fight I did. Oh, gotta reset. I'm gonna miss all this. Reset. Well, I can't make any honey. Without honey. Wait a minute, is that? My time wolf anyways. Just doing something wolf. again. I'm gonna do that again, but this time I'm gonna show you really how to get out this map. Oh, dive. I said dive. Oh, you're so bad. Where you going? Okay, I should stop doing that. Why are you gonna do? What the heck is my bees? I said got bees. You leave me a bee, I'm gonna hit you in the knee. Okay, this is getting hard. Well, come on, do the ultimate thing that I might not even finish this after this. Please, have mercy on my soul. Yes, no, oh my god. What? Can I do this? So, after one of these, I might end the video soon, so, yeah. You wanna put 2 for this? Like, make sure to leave a comment and stuff. So, I might have to say goodbye right now, or maybe later. Maybe after that, so I don't know. I don't know when to stop or where. And look, the stick bug. Okay, I know what to do now. Well, I was made from here. Time to get the stick bug out here. And face me off the challenges. Maybe not. Oh yeah. These? Yeah, I'm trying to get one of these by Connect. So, yeah, tickets. I can't afford all these, so I'm sad. I forgot how much things I have. Okay, now I officially have like that much, so I'm cool. Literally cool. At least I'm gonna end in a lot of legendaries. Oh no. Oh wait, I think I can do this. Wait, my bees are not here. My bees. No honey, no destroying this egg. I can't defeat him, I gotta run. Now, for this... Oh yeah, it's charging. I used it like a little bit ago, so... You ain't gonna see it now or today. What? This is the guy I've been waiting to see. No! Sorry about that, I gotta do it again. I can't read this. What's this stick bug translating? Anyways, let's do this question. Why? Next, anything else? So I have to... Okay, I had to do one of these questions just to end the video. Okay, to end this video, I might have to do all these, okay? All the, I know. That was... Never done this guy, and never will. I think this is the Kung Fu Panda guy. Yeah, I think it is. I'll show you. Where's all my bees when I need them, actually? Oh! Yeah, there one. Now. This. How the f*** maybe we can't, because it's so slow. Finally, sorry about that. my beetle. You just need to. Oh, I forgot the ladybug. Now, well, I gotta wait for like a long time now. Might take the whole damn one, so yeah. So this is taking forever, isn't it? Well, I gotta wait for 2 minutes. Might just play some golf. Golf! I can't move. What is happening? I can't move now. Oh, look, a fly. Hi, dog. You might kill me, won't you? Oh, he's not kill me. Maybe. I don't know. Do I exit? Anyone on? Oh, a mushroom. Well, this is gonna be my last beetle until I'm gonna end the video, so. Okay, what's the beetle at now? I'm tired of this. What's a beetle? Come on, beetle, I need to finish this, or else I'm not gonna use. Done with this. Oh, finally. Okay, Panda Bear. Panda Bear, you're the one gonna end this video, right? Yup, you. Well, okay. That's my last quest. Goodbye, everybody, and see you next time at Space Mania. So, goodbye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.